Colorful and sweet fruit salad. Hello, everyone. Today, we will make a fruit salad. We need apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, and honey. First, we wash all the fruits. Clean fruits are good. Next, we peel the oranges and bananas. We cut all the fruits into small pieces. We put the fruit pieces in a big bowl. Then, we pour some honey over the fruits. Honey is sweet. We mix the fruits and honey well. Our fruit salad is ready. We can eat it for breakfast, or a snack. It is sweet, juicy, and healthy. Enjoy your fruit salad.